Sorry. Hold on. Okay. Morning, Joanna. Today we're going to go over goal number 3, which is math. We did it last week also, and we're going to do the same thing. So we're going to start off with this worksheet. If you can look for it, it says place value to 20 sheets 3. And then we're going to start with number 1. I'm going to give you some examples. We're not going to do these, but I am going to give you some examples. I have some here that are similar. So we're going to start off with number 1, which is 15. And you see the squares? They're by 10s. There are 10 circles in each square. And over here on this other side, you will put the ones, the ones and the 10s. So what you're going to do is it's 15. So this is what we're going to do. Let me show you. Hold on. So you're going to, there you go. Number 1, you're going to shade in 15. So there you shade in 15. And then in this other side, you're going to put the 5 is in the 1's place and the 1 is in the 10 place. So that's what you're going to do. Let's try number 2, 10. So let's figure it out right here. So here we go. So you see how 10, right here, we colored 10 dots. You always have to start from right here and keep going. You cannot put 3 here and 5 over here. You have to keep going in the line that it's like this way. So none, we didn't color here, none, because we just colored 10. That's all they needed. And then in this other side, if you can see that the 0 is in the 1's place and the 1 is on the 10's. So go ahead and do your problems. And if you have any questions, call me and I'll be able to help you. So let's go on to goal number 4. Goal number 4 is also math. And we're going to solve double digits addition problems. So let me show you the worksheet. This is a worksheet. You also have it within your papers. All you do is you're going to add up double digits. We did that last week. So go ahead and try it. If you need any help, call me and I will help you. Remember, once you have finished, Joanna, you upload or have your grandpa upload them to Teams and send me pictures of them, please, so I can grade them and put them in your folder. So thank you.